Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are seeing the error message this connection is not private while browsing in Safari on your Mac, you are not alone. This is common issue and in today's video I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guidance to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can confuse Safari and break website security. Here how to fix it. Go to Settings app. Go to General. Then go to Date and Time. Make sure Set Time and Date automatically is turned on. This ensures your Mac uses the correct time zone and certificate validation works properly. Solution 2. Clear Safari website data. All corrupt website data can cause security warnings in Safari. To clear it, open Safari. Click Safari in the top menu. Then go to Settings in the drop-down menu. Then tap on Privacy. Click Manage Website Data. Then click Remove All and confirm. After that, try loading the website. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Sometimes Safari extension can interfere with secure website loading. To turn them off, go to Safari. Then go to Settings in the drop-down menu. Then tap on Extensions. Disable all extensions temporarily. Reload the page to check if the error is gone. If it works, one of the extensions may be the cause. Solution 4. Change network or restart Wi-Fi. Network issues can also lead to this error. Try this. Restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to another Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then open Safari again and refresh the website. This helps eliminate connection problems from your current network. Solution 5. Update macOS and Safari. Using an outdated version of macOS and Safari can cause compatibility and certificate issues. To update, go to Settings, then tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Here if an update is available, install it. Keeping your Mac updated ensures better security and improved website compatibility. And that's it. One of these solutions should help you to fix that this connection is not private error in Safari on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for easy Mac and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.